Alright then, now that we're done building the API's endpoints, we just need to go ahead and build the front end, and we're going to be using React. Like I told you in the beginning of this tutorial series, that we're going to be using React for the front end and Laravel for the back end. So just go over to the React app, click on get started. Just click on get started, and this will give you a command to that you can actually use to actually start creating React. So I'm just going to copy this and go back into my Virtual Studio Code, and right here, and just close this. And right here, we're just going to paste this code, and instead of my app, we're just going to call this, since we name our backend, our logic backend, we're just going to call this front end, and click enter, and just wait for that to just finish installing all the dependencies. So once that is done, we're just going to continue from there.